Welcome to JavaInterviewQuestion.com. Today we'll see one of the important interview question: difference between array and ArrayList in Java. We'll see the difference between array and ArrayList in Java. The first difference is size. In array, we have to know the size while creating. See, in this first difference, we need to know the size of an array to create an array. But for ArrayList, there is no requirement like we need to know the size, because ArrayList grows dynamically. ArrayList grows dynamically, so there is no point in knowing the size. Automatically the array list grows, but we need to know the size of an array to create an array. And the second one is elements insertion. Here, to put an element in an array, we need to know the position. To put an element in an array, we need to know the position. For example, we need to insert at the 4th position or 5th position, like that. And coming to the array list, we can just add an element to an array. Add an element to array list by using add method. Here there is no requirement like we need to know the position of array list. And the third one is static comma dynamic. Here arrays are static, that means we'll be creating an array with predefined size while creation itself, but array list goes dynamically, so array lists are dynamic. And the fourth difference is we can store, fourth one, storage of primitives and objects. Coming to an array, in array we can store objects and primitives. And coming to the array list, we can store only objects prior to Java 1.5, but from 1.5 we can store both objects and primitives. See, coming to an array, we can store both objects and primitives. And coming to the array list, prior to 1.5 we can store only objects, but from 1.5 we can store both primitives and objects due to autoboxing. With help of autoboxing, we can even store primitives in array list. And coming to insertion and deletion of elements. Insertion and deletion of elements. In arrays, we need to manually write logic for insertion and deletion. In arrays, we need to write the logic for insertion and deletion of elements. But coming to the ArrayList, in ArrayList, we can insert and remove elements just by using method calls. For example, add, remove, like this. These are the important differences between array and ArrayList. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you understand this video. Log on to www.javainterviewquestions.com for more interview questions.